Continuing in our quick start, if you already have some programming experience and you're just looking for quick answers to how to do simple things in Perl, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to read a file in Perl. So in your O1 Quick Start folder, in your exercise files, you'll see countlines.pl. Open that up. I'm going to maximize this window so we can look at the code. This is a simple script that simply reads a file, counts the lines in the file. And so you can see it starts by declaring a variable and the name of the file, linesfile.txt, opens the file, and it reads all of the lines in the file into a variable using this syntax here, and then it closes the file and it counts the number of lines in the file and prints that result. All of these details will be covered in other parts of this course. If you're looking for a quick start on just how to read lines in a file and count them, this is the place. I can go ahead and run this, and there it is. There's 50 lines in linesfile.txt. And if we look at linesfile.txt right here, we can see it's got 50 lines of that. And there they are. So just quickly, this is the simple way to open a file. We're going to do a whole chapter on file I/O later on, where we'll be using a module for reading files, which is more flexible and more object-oriented way to do it. But you simply use the open function, and the first argument is a file handle, which looks like that in Perl. And the second argument is the file name. And you can see that the file name is a variable that's declared up here, and it's linesfile.txt. And then using that file handle with the angle brackets, we'll read the entire file all at once and assign it to an array. So this is an array, and it will have one line per element in the array. And then you can close the file because it's already read and it's in the lines array. So the lines array here, you can count the elements in an array by simply casting it to a scalar. And again, we'll look at that in the chapter on arrays and how to do that, and assign that to a variable. And then you can print out there are count lines in file name, and you get this result. So that's the simple answer to how do I read a file and count its lines in Perl.